Hello again YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today I'm going to do a video tutorial on how to install Windows XP Professional Edition in VirtualBox this time. So yeah, this is XP Professional Edition. So before I get started, I would just like to apologize for not making any videos in a long time. I guess I've just been mad busy with in real life stuff, but luckily I try to find spare time to do this stuff. So yeah, that's good news. So I might as well get started. So as usual, we're gonna create a new virtual machine and call it Windows XP Professional. We're gonna have this Windows XP 32-bit. Click next. And 192 megabytes is the recommended memory size. So we can click next. And we're gonna create a virtual hard disk file. A virtual hard disk with 10 gigabytes. Yeah, VDI VirtualBox disk image. We're gonna click create. So now we're gonna go up to settings, and in storage we click on the disk and then choose a virtual optical disk file. And right here it says Windows XP Professional, the ISO image. Click on that and click open, and there it is. Now we're gonna press OK, and now we're gonna execute our virtual machine. Press enter to continue, and now we're just gonna press page down, because yeah, you can read that if you want to. It's just a licensing agreement, as you know. Now we're gonna press F8 to agree. And now press enter, because this is our, I guess this can be our unpartitioned space with 10,237 megabytes. And now we're gonna format the partition using the NTFS file system. And now it's just gonna format the hard drive, and it'll be all set. Now we can just press enter to restart our computer if you don't want to wait for this. Now do not press anything, because I already told you this before. It can just mess everything up. Alright, so now it supports the mouse pointer integration, so we can fully use our mouse cursor in here, which is good news. It's just installing devices, so this may take a while. Alright, so we're gonna click next. And then we're going to put our name and organization. And then we'll continue with that. Alright, here's the product key. So as usual, I will provide both the ISO image and the product key for Windows XP Professional in the description, in the download link section in the description. So yeah. So I'm gonna type in the serial, and we'll continue with that. So this is our computer name, I guess. So we're gonna click next, and then I'm gonna change the date and time on this because I'm not really comfortable with the incorrect times. Yeah. So we're gonna select typical settings, which is recommended. So click next. Next, and now it's just gonna carry on with the installation. So yeah, this is the time to just sit back and watch XP Pro install itself. And here you go. Here's Windows XP Professional near the point of it working well. It's about to work fine. So yeah. Click next, as usual. Yeah, I think it's best to protect your PC with automatic updates. So just select that and click next. Now it's connecting us to the internet, checking our internet connectivity. I guess I can select no, this computer will connect directly to the internet and see what happens. No, yeah, I think it's best to just say no, you don't have to register to Microsoft at that time. So just click next. And now we're going to type in our name. And click next. Alright, so our installation has been accomplished, and our internet access has been configured and everything like that. So we're gonna finish the installation, and Windows XP Professional will be working. And there it is. Windows XP Pro successfully installed in Oracle VirtualBox. So yeah, everything looks clean, including the Bliss wallpaper, and we got the Luna theme and the start menu and everything like that. The programs on the side, everything. And here you go. Alright, so I'm just gonna see if Internet Explorer works on here. Let's go to Microsoft.com. Nah, I think we'll... Or maybe we can go somewhere like maybe Wikipedia, let's say. Or not. Let's try Google. Yeah, let's not show the warning in the future. Huh. Alright, so Internet Explorer does not work. So I guess that's fine. I mean, seriously, who needs the internet in virtual machines? I mean, it's just a virtual machine. There's no need for it, but I guess it sometimes is good to have just a little bit of internet in your VMs once in a while. But it's not a big deal. So anyway, that's how you install Windows XP Professional in VirtualBox. So until next time, this is Every Tech Time, and do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos. That said, I'll see you in the next video.